Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Group A and today we will be presenting about determinant of direct financial compensation. But before we start, let me introduce you our group member. We have Shah, Uzahin, Amy, Ayu and the last one is Naili. Let's jump into the presentation.
Organization as a determinant of direct financial compensation. Firstly, compensation policies provide general guidelines for making compensation decisions. Employees may perceive their firm compensation policies as being fair, and unbiased, or others may have different opinions. An organization often establish compensation policies that determine whether it will be a pay leader, pay follower, or market rate. Pay leader, an organization that pay higher wage and salary than competing firm. Using this strategy, the firm can attract high quality and productive employees. Market rate. The market going rate is the average pay the most employees provide for a similar job in particular area or industry. Pay follower. A company that choose to pay below the market rate because of a poor financial condition or a belief that they do not require highly capable employee are pay follower. Second, organization level. The organization level in which compensation decisions are made can also have an impact on pay. Upper management often makes this decision to ensure consistency. However, in some cases, there may be advantage to making pay decisions at lower level, where better information may exist regarding employees' performance. And lastly, ability to pay. There is a logic for using cost of living as a pay determinant. When price rise over and pay does not, real pay is actually lowered. A pay increase must be roughly equivalent to the increase of living if a person is to maintain a previous level of real wage.
Labor market in a determinant of direct financial compensation. The definition is a potential employees that located in the geographic areas from which employees are recruited to be part in the labor market. There are four main points in the labor market and it is compensation survey, cost of living, the economy, the expediency and labor union. We go to the number one, compensation survey. Compensation survey meaning is collecting data about what other firms or organizations are paying for specific job or job classes within a given labor market. A larger firm will conduct compensation surveys that typically provide the low, average and high salary based on the given position. Number two is the cost of living. Look from cost of living's perspective as pay determinant. When prices rise over time and pay does not, real pay is actually lowered. A pay increase must be roughly equivalent to the increase the cost of living if a person is to maintain a previous level of wages. We go to number three, economy. Financial compensation decision will be affected based on the current economic conditions. Number four is expediency. Managers in highly technical and specialized area usually need to use non-traditional and it means to determine what constitutes competitive compensation for scarce talent and niche position. The last point for the labor market is labor unions. Mandatory collective bargaining between management and unions based on the amount of wages, how many hours worked, and other terms and conditions of employment.
The job as 3, job analysis job description and job evolution. Job as a determinant of a direct financial compensation. The individual, employee, and market force are the most common as wage criteria. This organization pay for value they attach to certain duties, responsibility, and other job-related factors such as working conditional. The first one, job analysis. The systemic of approach to determine the skill and knowledge need to perform the job. The value of the job normally depends on how analyzing the job. 3. The higher the skill and knowledge need to perform the job, higher value the job will be, vice versa. Number 2, job evolution. The process of determining relative value of the one job relating to another. So, the basic purpose of the job revision 2 is determine internal power in Canada and then to envelop hierarchy of job value for creating a preschool. It can be done in a ranking method, classification, factor corporation, and a point method. Last one, job description. A writing document that describe job duties or function and responsibility which serve as a different purpose, including data for evolution job.
Number 4. Employee as a determinant of direct financial compensation. Introduction. In addition to the organization, the labor market, and the job, factors related to the employee are also essential in determining an individual's compensation. These factors include job performance, skill competencies, seniority, experience, organization membership, potential, political influence, luck, and salary comparison. Next, performance-based pay is governed by how well one performs. The job includes merit pay, merit business, and incentive pay. Skill-based pay, system that compensates employees for their job-related skills and knowledge, not for their job titles. This is a competency-based pay compensation plan that rewards employees for the capabilities they attain. Seniority, lack of time an employee has been associated with the company, division, department, or job. Experience, regardless of the nature of the task. Experience has the potential for enhancing a person's ability to perform.
The next one is organization membership. Membership will receive some compensation components without regard to particular job they perform or their level of productivity. They receive them because they are the members of the organization. The next one is potential. Potential is useless if it is never realized. Many young employees are paid well because they have the potential to add future value. Potential is also used to attract talented young people to the firm. The next one is political influence. Firms should obviously try not to permit political influence to be a factor. To deny its existence would be unrealistic, and it is natural for a manager to favor a friend or relative in granting a pay increase or promotion. The last one is luck. Luck helps to be in the right place at the right time. Opportunities are continually presenting themselves. Luck also works primarily for the efficiency. Thank you for listening, everybody. Bye.